everyone, it's me again, the hot mama. So for today's video, I am going to the river because we don't have water here. This is how Filipina survive without water. But at least we have the river, guys. So come with me and I'll take you to the river. So I'll get this motorbike here because it's really hot today, guys. So it's just close. It's just 100 meters, I think. So it's just only 1 minute to get there, guys. So let's go, guys. I have my shampoo and deeper pan here and soap. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. That's my brother there. That's my old motorbike. This is my neighbor here, guys. Oopsie, oopsie. It's so close, you will see. And by the way, guys, we have a artesian here. If we don't have water, it's right there. So I will just park the motorbike here. Just leave it here, guys. We used to get our water here before for the cleaning, you know, for the toilet, but we don't need to drink this. Our neighbors, they used to drink this because you know why? They cannot some of them, they cannot afford to buy a water, a mineral water, so that's why they are used to drink a tap water or this kind of water, artesian. You see, that's artesian. It's full of coconuts. Wow, yeah. Okay, so this is the way going to the river. Let's go. I'll take you there. I'll bring my shampoo and my deeper pan. Of course, this is how Filipina survive and the province. And by the way, there's a store up there. That's where we buy, some foods. This is, look at that. This is a balatong, a string beans. Yeah, they plant it here. Look at that. Yes, see, look at that. It's jungle. Let's go. Let's take a look. So close, guys. Yeah. So that's why if we don't have water here, this is where we can take a bath. Okay? Take a shower. It's been raining so much yesterday. So the soil is really, really wet. It's kind of slippery. But hot mama can handle that. Yes. Look at that. Look at, there's a huge bamboo there. I'll show you here. You see? That's a huge bamboo. Okay, so this is where I can take a bath, guys. It's clear. And this is where we can do our laundry also, guys. And there's a kid swimming here, guys. Look at him. Swimming here. Uy! Napul kag balas? Ang balas? Yeah, that's our neighbor there. Oh my God, what happened to this tree? It's broken. I think it's because of the rain. Natumba ne? Nabali sa ulan? Ah, no, it's somebody's cut it, guys. Ano mo nang gitaga? Ah, because of that coconut there, up there, guys. They have to cut this tree so that they can able to climb up there and to get those coconut. Oh my God, that's a lot. So you see how it's really nice here. I really like province life, guys. I love my province better than in the city. To be honest, yeah, it is better than the city. It's until the knee, guys. Oh, I'll have to remove my hair tie. Oh, it's so good. Oh my god. That's a good thing about living in the province, because if we don't have water, we just only swim here in the river, take a bath. So good. I'm loving it. Oh. Time to put some soap. Oh no. You know what, guys? My brother used to do a laundry here. Yeah, because you know why? It's easy to wash, you know. It's only one wash when he already cleaned the clothes with soap. Only one wash and it's finished. If he do it at home, it takes time for him to clean. So that's why I order another washing machine. At least she can just only do it, like wash it and then just wash it here in the river. And also the water, you know, if we don't have water at home, that's a problem. Yeah. So good, you should try this. It's so good, it's real so fresh, the water. Now I'm gonna put shampoo, guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna see everything. Oh my god, so good. After putting shampoo, oh my god, my dead skin because of the sweet. I have dead skin, guys, because of the adventure many days. This is like, I was surprised I don't really get sunburn. Maybe because of the sunscreen, I think it helps. You know what, guys? I asked my neighbors how much is the per sack of sand, and he said it's 50 pesos. Wow, it's expensive now. It's good because, you know, they're the one getting this sand for them who ordered. I'm happy for that. Because this is the guy that I also asked for this, you know, when I built my house. I asked this guy. Yeah. The one, the kid behind me is his son. Yeah, that's good. This is a hair mask. I used to put this after putting shampoo because it helps to moisturize my hair, guys. Yeah. Or I can use cream self conditioner or Pantene. I like Pantene. Leave it in just 3 minutes. 45 minutes. Wala, nalunod na to akong hair mask. Kurog na ka? So I'm gonna finish soon, guys. Oh, so good. I don't wanna stop. Oh, swim a little bit. Oh my god. Okay. So clear the water. So alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you're enjoying watching this kind of video, and if you like this province type of content, please comment down below, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, guys. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.